This is a quick video to show you how to create an account and schedule appointments at the PSU Writing Center. We're starting at the PSU homepage, clicking the search bar, type in Writing Center and search. Your first result will be the PSU Writing Center, and this is our homepage. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a button that says Schedule an Appointment. Click there. And if you haven't used this before, you'll want to register for an account, so you click the Register for an Account link. You enter your email address. It doesn't have to be your PSU address. Name. Don't need a telephone number. Your standing. Graduation year. It can be not applicable if that's the case. Your first language. Your major and student ID numbers. If you don't have one, you can just write NA in either of those fields. And then a password that you can remember. Most important things here, working email address and a password you can remember, since that's going to be what you use to log in. Once you're done there, you can confirm that you're not a robot and complete your registration. It'll send you back to the login screen where you use your email address and password to log into the schedule. It'll take you to the current week, though you can navigate ahead if you like. If looking at the schedule, you'll notice there's burgundy boxes. Those indicate times where consultants are not available. White boxes, those show appointment times that have not yet been booked. And then red boxes that are appointments that have been booked by others. So if you wanted to, say, make an appointment at 1 p.m. on Monday with online consultant number 1, you would click here. And it'll open up the Create New Appointment box. If you double click on the screen behind you, it might hide this pop-up behind your main window. You might have to minimize the window to see it. So if nothing happens when you click on an appointment time, check and see if you haven't hidden the box. Once you're here, you can include course and instructor information if you have it, and then type in what you'd like to work on during your session. This is where you can also note if you've worked with a particular tutor in the past and you'd like to work with them again. You can say so here. We can't guarantee you'll be able to work with a particular tutor, but if that person is available, they will jump into the session with you. You can also attach files toward the bottom here. You can put in your assignment sheet if you like, or the actual document you want to look at, but none of that's required. You can always just paste the document into the interface once you have your appointment. Once you create your appointment by clicking the Create Appointment button, you'll see that it shows up in tan on your schedule. So then once Monday rolls around and it's, say, 5 minutes to 1, you'll want to return to this screen, log back into the schedule, and click on your appointment time. Note that your own name will show up down below when you hover over the appointment. And it'll open this View Existing Appointment box. And in the middle of it, you'll see a link that says Start or Join Online Consultation. And that's what you'll click on to start your session. If we click here, it'll open up the online interface where you can, I'm going to mute my camera just to do it, where you can paste in whatever text you want to work on in the whiteboard in the middle here. You can chat using the chat dialog on the right, and when available, you'll be able to use audio and video to talk to your tutors. Not everyone will be equipped for that, but if it's available, you can go ahead and use that as an option as well. So this should help you get started making appointments at the PSU Writing Center. We look forward to working with you.